Huawei already launched its P20 series for all the flagship-thirsty fans. The upper mid-range portfolio is reserved for the Huawei Nova series, and the third iteration arrived on TEENA last Monday. This week the Nova 3 specs were fully unveiled by the Chinese regulatory, giving us a good idea of what to expect. The Huawei Nova 3 will have octa-core CPU, clocked at 2.3 GHz. The setup is most likely to arrive on a Kirin 659 chipset, although we would not be surprised if the SoC actually ends up being the Kirin 710. The chip is paired with 6GB RAM and 64 128 of a gigabyte storage. The screen is listed as 6.3 inches LCD with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels, which adds up to a 19:9 aspect ratio. The camera department sure is exciting. The dual setup on the back will have 16-megapixel main sensor and a 24-megapixel secondary one. It looks like the Honor 10 combo with a 24-megapixel monochrome snapper. The front camera setup is also dual, 24-megapixel plus 2-megapixel, both of them crammed into a small notch. Although the phone arrived under two coded model numbers Par LOO and Par TLOO, we already know it is the Nova 3 by looking at some promo posters. It might look like the P20 Lite, but is actually bigger in size, with precise dimensions of 157 by 73.7 by 7.3 mm, weighing 166 grams. The battery is 3650 mAh and is likely to arrive with Huawei's in-house quick charging solution called Supercharge.